Evening all, just a quick update from yesterday's analysis on the dollar. We were looking and waiting for the break through the channel. We saw the slight breakthrough and we were waiting to see if the market rebounded to the upside or continued the move to the downside. It looks like the dollar has basically fallen all day. I mean, not much market news has happened today. It's been very quiet, and I think it's a quiet week. But this could be a good start for the dollar to decline. It hit the level we roughly put in, and we've had a nice little bounce back. We may see a retracement prior to continued move to the downside, or this could be the retracement here. We're going to wait and see. But ideally, we would like to see some sort of bounce up and a break. Once we've got the break, we think this will be the good point to start shorting on our dollar pairs. We can see the level that it's actually pulled back to. If we just put a mark on here, this is where the dollar's pulled back to today. In the last hour, but looking to the left, we can see some key areas. It's just pulling back on and here too. So the market is adhering to what has happened in the past. So we've just got to keep close on it this evening. Hopefully this will be the pullback and the further decline to the downside. In relation to one of our earlier trades, the dollar CAD, I'm just going to put on the chart here the DXY, which is the Canadian dollar index. You can see it here in turquoise. Basically, it's the opposite correlation or a negative correlation to the dollar. We can see where the dollar's been moving down today. The Canadian dollar's been moving up. Again, this is a good move if you're shorting the US dollar CAD. Like we said last night, we've been shorting that for quite a while. We're aggressively shorting it, but long term we're still waiting for the key break on the rising channel to the downside on the dollar CAD. But signs are looking good. If we can see a good breakout here tomorrow on the DXY and the dollar little bounce and decline to the downside, then all dollar pairs will look good for shorting, and the dollar CAD another good pair that we're in for the short. So overall, this week is looking promising, and we'll keep you updated. Any questions or comments, let us know.